Basically, we started Global Conveyor Systems to solve the problems of the industry. We are in this field for last 30 years. We have innovated so many products. Every time the customer has a problem, we have innovated it, studied the problems, designed the products for them, manufactured, erected and used for them. We have got very dedicated team of engineers for designing, led by Vivai Dhon. He is a genius person and he has invented most of the products what we are making today. We develop innovative products keeping customers' problem in mind.
Normally in bulk conveying industry, people use metallic rollers to support a belt. The power requirement because of the weight of the rollers is very high. Similarly, the structure has to be very rigid to support that weight of the rollers. With this view in mind, we started developing lightweight non-metallic polymer rollers.
These rollers are drop-in replacements for metal rollers used on the carrying and return sides of a conveyor system. The roller shell is made with HPPE polymer having a molecular weight of 3.8 million grams per mol to offer the most optimal hardness while still maintaining lightweight. Polycat rollers are available in various diameters and can be used with any belt weights up to 1800 millimeters. Polycat rollers weigh just 25% compared to the conventional steel rollers. Polycat rollers are anti-corrosive, anti-static, self-cleaning, save 22% electric power and increase belt life. They can be used on all conveyors in cement plants with ambient temperatures of up to 100 degrees centigrade.
Simple product like ceramic lagging. Conventionally what happens, pulleys are rubber lagged. These rubber lagging starts and wearing out. Then to remove the pulley is highly difficult task. So we developed a ceramic lagging.
Globlag ceramic lagging is designed for use in conveyor installations where conventional rubber lagging is not enough to prevent belt spillage. Globlag ceramic lagging uses 20 mm dimpled ceramic tiles molded onto the pulley surface. Globlag ceramic lagging achieves the highest coefficient of friction to prevent belt spillage. It also dramatically lowers belt tension and increases belt life. Once ceramic lagging is done, tiles can be replaced quickly if they are ever damaged. This saves costs and also reduces the downtime of the conveyor system.
We have developed a belt tracking system for carrying side as well as return side. So the belt is loaded in the center, it goes in the center and discharges in the center.
If the belt goes off center, the central pivot will tilt the roller and track the belt towards the center.
A belt that has wandered off center tends to increase spillage at loading points and cause heavy wear on the edges of rollers, leading to premature failure of rollers and subsequent damage to belts. Our advanced carrying and return belt tracking rollers keep the belt from wandering off center. The rollers can also be safely used in reversing type conveyors where frequent reversals are required to change the direction of discharge. This tracking system prevents the wandering of the belt, thereby minimizing damage caused to the belt. The global belt tracking system works with the central pivot lubricated for life, thus making it maintenance-free.
Global floating skirt system is a very innovative idea. Here the skirt board rubber just floats on the skirt belt. So belt goes up, skirt goes up, belt goes down, skirt goes down. So no spillage takes place.
In this system, sealing strips are mounted on the steel skirt board on independent, freely rotating link arms. The link allows the sealing strip to float on the belt, reacting to changes in the belt line and maintaining sealing contact with the belt. The design also allows the sealing system to self-adjust using its own weight to compensate for wear. This is a cost-effective spillage management system. Loading chutes of various sizes are supported. Skirt rubber is available in standard, heat-resistant and fire-resistant grades.
Cleaning up the belt after discharge of the material is the biggest problem faced by the bulk handling industry. Different types of scrapers are used for cleaning the underside of the belt. We have developed a powered rotary brush for cleaning the belt after the material is discharged.
Rotary brush belt cleaners help eliminate costly downtime of conveyor systems. The unique rotary design stops wear on the belt and return rollers caused by carryover material. These cleaners use a helical-shaped brush that is capable of withstanding the harshest application conditions. The brush does not retain any debris due to its open face construction. These belt cleaners are available for belt widths of up to 1800 millimeters.
We approached one cement plant for using those belt cleaners. Then they came out with their problem. They said that they have to print mandatory, it's mandatory by government, that they have to print on the bag date of manufacture, batch number, price and everything. Cement is a very fine material, sticks on the bags, and when they print, the printing is not clear, it's blurred printing. We developed a vertical brush cleaner. Now when you put that vertical brush cleaner before this printing machine and then you print the bag, it's absolutely fine.
Bristles of the rotating brush will clean the bag surface before printing. This is installed just before the online printer and aligned in such a manner so that the printing area on the bag surface will be cleaned. The printed information on the filled bags after cleaning is sharp and easily readable.
They were so impressed with the performance of the vertical bag cleaner that they have installed 40 vertical bag cleaners on various conveyor systems in their plant. In conveyor belts are too long. So belt cannot come to the machine for joining. So machine has to go to the belt for joining. Now this joining has to be 100% perfect and should have the same strength as the belt is having.
Global's belt vulcanizing presses are manufactured using a special aluminium alloy. We manufacture vulcanizing presses for belt widths up to 2000 millimeters. Temperatures of platings is controlled by solid-state temperature controllers. Hydraulic cylinders located in the upper cross beams help develop uniform pressure. Each press is custom-made to suit the belt width and material. These machines help quickly create hot vulcanized joints that have maximum strength.
Belt winder is especially helpful in replacing the belt on long conveyors. Conventionally, at the time of replacement, old belt is withdrawn and laid on the floor. Whereas if they use our winder, the belt can directly be wound on our winder.
A belt winder is an essential piece of equipment for every plant using heavy-duty long conveyors. As the new belt is mounted on the system, the old belt is removed in bundles of 200 and 300 meters depending on the thickness of the belt. The winders have a capacity of 20 tons and are equipped with hydraulic motors and a power pack. Using our mobile belt winders, mounting or replacing conveyor belts takes minimum downtime and minimum manpower. The belt winding speed is infinitely variable. We manufacture mobile and stationary belt winders for up to 1800 millimeter belt widths.
Super ES idlers. This is a new invention. In conventional systems, we use 3 rollers. That is 1 roller in the center, 2 rollers on the side. Now in this ES idler system, that is energy saving idlers, we are going to use 2 rollers in the center instead of 1 roller in the center. Now you can increase the diameter of the center roller and reduce the diameter of the side rollers because 70% of the load comes on the center rollers.
While conventional troughing idlers use a single center roll, the Super ES idlers use 2 center rolls in a fore or aft orientation. This arrangement provides significant power savings by decreasing the indentation resistance and material flexure resistance of the conveyor. Upgrading to the Super ES idlers provides the lowest cost of ownership. There is no spillage even if the belts are overloaded.
We have always strived to maintain highest quality standard as required by our customers in India as well as international customers and conforming to the international standards.
We believe in quality, so we have put a lot of quality control norms, especially in polymer rollers, for example.
A randomly selected roller is first placed in the water ingress test machine where it is rotated for 4 hours continuously and water is sprinkled from both sides. The roller is then taken out and opened to check for any water ingression. Similarly, Another roller is placed in the dust penetration test machine to check for any fault in the sealing of the rollers.
Today, we are proud to say that we manufacture products in India as per the international standards.
Your problem is our opportunity.